At Antunes, we don't just solve problems for our customers, we create the right solutions. We've been hard at work looking for ways to improve efficiencies in the restaurant world, and I believe we found the answer: automation. From the manufacturing industry to the applications we use on our phones, automation is everywhere. Everywhere? Well, everywhere but the food service industry. We'd like to introduce you to the future of food service technology: automated prep line solutions. Antunes has a unique approach that we've been developing, relying on the industrial design as we see in the world today to create a proven solution. Taking a data-driven approach, we've narrowed down different tasks that can be automated in a standard restaurant to save the most amount of time. Time employees can then dedicate to other value-added tasks in your business. Antunes is the leader in kitchen automation with the tools and expertise to build custom turnkey solutions for your business. Drawing from years of experience helping the best companies in the food service industry achieve their goals. With a team full of experts, a data-driven approach, and technology that truly makes a difference to your bottom line.